So if you guys were in the market to buy some sneakers and you came across the GOAT app, today's video I'm gonna try to answer a lot of those questions you probably have in mind right now before you make that purchase. And the most relevant question I do get is the GOAT app legit? And I'm gonna answer that in today's video, man. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into another video, man. Shouts out to all the OG subscribers, man. If you've been here for a while, I do want to truly say thank you, man, from the bottom of my heart. And if you guys are new here to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any content we do drop, and make sure you hit that like button because the like button goes a long way and it helps the channel grow. Today, the Air Jordan 3 Craft Ivories did drop, man. Did not get the love that I thought it was going to get, but still a super clean Air Jordan 3 in my opinion. So let me know down below in the comment section if you did secure a pair, and if you were trying to, figure out what to wear with your Air Jordan 3 Craft Ivories, OutRank Brand has you guys covered. Every single week, man, OutRank has some perfect gear to go with your sneakers. I know a lot of people tend to buy shoes, but they don't know what to go with those sneakers as far as apparel and clothing. And OutRank has you covered as far as shirts, the shorts, the pants, the hoodies, the hats, literally everything. And they send over a super dope hoodie for these Air Jordan 3 Crafts. I thought you guys would be super interested in. So make sure you guys use my code TheVintage, save you 10% off your entire order. Go shop with them. Telling your boy TheVintage sent you, man. So within the last couple of weeks, man, your boy has purchased 2 pairs of sneakers from the lovely GOAT app, and both of them happen to be early. They still have not came out. The first one being the eggplant foam posits right here. Super beautiful. I know you guys have been asking me where I get them from, how'd I cop them, and I answered that in the video on unboxing, but I did get these from the GOAT app, man. Super dope. So let's go ahead and take both of these out real quick and show you guys the other pair of sneakers I am talking about. You guys can probably tell by the box what these are. We did just show these a couple of weeks ago, but definitely Air Jordan 1 that I feel like will do relatively well come around the release date due to the fact that it is black and white. You got the reverse panda Air Jordan 1s right here. So again, man, like I said, the most relevant question I've always been getting when I'm unboxing sneakers from the GOAT app is the GOAT app legit? And me, myself, I have never had any issues as far as getting fake sneakers. I've actually check my sneakers on secondary apps like check legit check apps and stuff like that to make sure my pairs are legit, even though the GOAT app does offer authentication services, and make sure you're getting that legit A1 pair of sneakers you've been looking for. One thing I've always loved about the GOAT app is their interface. I love how they have the calendar up top. They have some of the hottest sneakers that just dropped on the main page, and they also sell clothing, accessories, bags, purses, and all that good stuff. I want to be 100% honest in this video. I have seen people comment in the videos, let me know that they have had issues as far as getting fake pairs and stuff like that. But I also want to say that they never followed up with me on Instagram. I always ask people, if you did have a bad interaction with the GOAT app, please, say hit me up on Instagram. Let me know what happened. Let me know how you figured out your pair was fake. I haven't seen anybody follow up after them saying like, yo, GOAT app is fake. They send me fake sneakers. But like I said earlier, I've never received not one fake pair of sneakers from the GOAT app. They sell sneakers early, they sell used sneakers, and they also have it to where you can offer whatever amount you want to offer for a shoe on their app. And unlike StockX, you feel me, GOAT does allow you to set an expiration time on that bid. I've seen plenty of people comment in my videos from StockX saying like, yo, I forgot I had a bid, and out of nowhere I got charged like a random, $300, $400 price from StockX, and they totally forgot about the bid they put in 2-3 years ago. So you can actually set an expiration time on that bid, so you're not unaware of a purchase or a charge on your card. Something I also love about the GOAT app is they have a want section. So anything that you have been, browsing, things that you have been seeing that you possibly like, you hit want on that product, you hit the size, and literally you go to your profile and they have an entire want section on the interface. And you're probably like, yo, that's not super important. But if you're like me and you've been eyeing a lot of sneakers, a lot of grills and stuff like that, and you don't want to have to go back and search every single one, you kind of want to get a reminder of what those grills are, you can have this want section and go to and start checking off your grills one by one. And like I mentioned previously in the video, you can also sell on the GOAT app as well. I have sold things on the GOAT app before. I sold used sneakers, I sold new sneakers, and I do feel like it's a little bit more complex than StockX due to the fact that you can sell those used sneakers. So you got to upload pictures for those used sneakers. And unlike StockX, you have to upload pictures even of the dead stock pair of sneakers you're selling on the GOAT app. I know that might be a little bit tedious for some people, so they always get the edge to StockX as far as selling, But if you don't mind taking a couple pictures on GoDaddy, I've never had an issue with, that process of selling things, getting the money, and they even offer to keep it in your GOAT credit. So just in case you want to, circle back and get a grill on your want section, you don't have to get a separate charge from your account. You just keep all your money in GOAT credit. And I did want to mention that, the other day somebody asked me, have they ever got like a Chinese, tag or anything on their shoes from GOAT? And I have had that happen in the past because they do have different branches all around the world. Usually when you hear about, Chinese branding or Chinese tags and stuff like that, people think it's fake, people think it's unauthorized, but literally, bruh, people buy shoes in China, bruh. People buy shoes in different countries, different regions, and we can't just label, fake every time we see something as far as Chinese lettering and Chinese tags, because like I said, they have a huge STEM community over there, and they have a huge GOAT hub where they authenticate sneakers and send them out to people over here in the United States. Literally, you can go into their calendar on the main page of the interface of the app, and you can literally see all the shoes that are scheduled to release in 2024. And if you did want to get a pair early, you can kind of check the prices, see what they're currently hitting for, and that kind of gives you a nice little, gauge in your mind, like, yo, should you buy them now? Should you wait? And the sneaker of the talk is an Air Jordan 4 Breads, and I've been eyeing them joints on GoDaddy just to see how the value is fluctuating, and they are currently going down. But of course, if you're like me, you do sneaker YouTube, you do want to get those early pairs, and you want to get them from a legitimate source, I head straight over to the GoDaddy, and I'm always good to go. When you do get your sneakers, you unbox them, you will get this little, GOAT card right here. Go ahead and check that out. It says GOAT at the top, and at the bottom it says assurance of authenticity. On the back you have this little QR code. So I'm guessing if you scan this, I've never done it before, but I think it takes you to exactly what you purchased. So let's go ahead and check that out real quick and see what actually does happen. So it takes you to a page from GOAT, and it's pretty much a long, script about their assurance of authenticity. I thought they usually would take you to what you purchased or the process and steps that they went through. They don't, but it pretty much just outlines, everything is legit from the GOAT app. I'm gonna put a little screenshot up here so you guys can tap into it. Something I always said that GOAT should implement is a nice little, tag that go onto the sneaker, almost like a StockX thing or eBay thing, or even just having something attached to the sneaker and let you know you got it strictly from the GOAT app, other than the card that they do offer you. Shipping never takes that long. I guess it does depend on where you are at, where the sneakers are shipping from, but literally all the sneakers I've gotten from GOAT the last 3-4 years, I always get them within 14 days, and that's the process of me buying them from the seller, shipping them to GOAT, them authenticating and sending it to me all within less than 14 days. There was one time that I got them in like 8 days. I was like, yo, this is crazy. And that's even counting a Sunday, of course, 8 days, y'all should know that. But the shipping is super fast. And they do offer instant ship. So literally, if you go into a sneaker and they do offer, it'll have instant ship next to it in green, and you can literally just buy the shoe straight from GOAT. It's already pre-verified, and they ship it straight to you, so you gotta wait for that middleman part where the seller does ship it to GOAT. They already got it instant ship, and they send it straight to your address. So yeah, man, I pretty much is the breakdown of the GOAT app, man. Should you use it in 2024? I highly recommend it. Like I said, people's experiences do vary. But like I said, I've never received a fake shoe, and it's gotten to the point where I don't even check them a second time on different legit checking apps. So let me know down below in the comment section if you will be shopping with the GOAT app, if you have done it in the past, or if you had that bad experience, man. Let us know down below in the comment section, and hit me up on our IG. Let me know what happened, man. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you sub up to the channel, hit the notification bell, and please leave a huge like on today's video. Again, I want to help you guys out. If you have any additional questions, hit me up on Instagram, or drop it down below in the comment section, because somebody watching this probably got the answer you need. Love y'all. Appreciate y'all, man. I'm going to catch you in next video. Peace.